IFD stands for International Foundation Diploma. It's a program which is globally recognized, and it's offered by NCC and regulated by Ofqual.
I would personally recommend IFD to any 844 students looking to study abroad. It provides you with an easier pathway to those international universities. You will learn skills that are so important for the next level in your education.
It is not just a program. It's a way to initiate your child into graduating with the global.
What I'd like to tell the future students considering IFD is that it's the right path to go, as it only takes 8 months and it's quite easy, and also it's a direct path to the university.
Join the International Foundation program.
Don't waste your time, enroll with us now.